In this video, we're going to show you clips from two different work details where the TBSA went out and volunteered for the Forest Service. And then we can show you some clips of the TBSA at camp at Sugar Pine.
Just a matter of minutes, we'll be on our way over to the area where we're going to put in some railing. This is going to stop all the other riders from riding through the culvert. They've been going in the creek. This is bad for all the little fishies. Come with us and help us fix up the trail.
Occasional volunteer work for the U.S. Forest Service.
They're going to be working down at Parker Flat.
Trail Bike Sportsmen's Association, TBSA. Annual membership dues are $24, which includes your family.
I have assembled clips of the work detail in '92 where we built that railing down at Parker Flat. Then later on in April when we cleared some of those trees that were crossing Loop 5. And I've got a bunch of clips of TBSA members back at Sugar Pine.
Perfect time of the year for digging.
Does that answer that question? Done is done. That's all power lever. Boy, it makes the best fence you've ever seen in your life. Not yet.
So that's the one with the rock.
Yeah.
The reason for all this work is because people have been driving through the creek and through the culvert, making a circle track coming around here. We're going to stop that real quick.
There you go. No one's about the same.
Well, I haven't tried to dig it.
This will determine pretty much how the whole thing is.
Good to me, huh? Happy with it.
Well, if you're happy with that, we can fill it in. Yeah, we don't have to go back further anyway.
Our butts off for like, that's a good stopping spot.
Lee, the man's enjoying himself. Yeah, but there's two more. That's true.
Trail Bike Sportsmen's Association, TBSA.
Had it running a while ago.
It's either that or you gotta buy another bike that has a left-hand start.
Right, yeah. Every time I buy a bike, it goes on a cruise.
I have assembled clips of the work detail in '92 where we built that railing down at Parker Flat. Then later on in April when we cleared some of those trees that were crossing Loop 5.
Oh, God, taking pictures.
If a TBSA member finds a log across the trail, he whips out his handy folding saw and cuts it out of the way.
Going the right way. Now turn. Right turn. Turn. Oh, all right.
Right on off the trail.
Still serious.
Oh.
Got it there, huh?
Pardon?
Camera time.
Yeah. You're on tape. Look at that, it's got wood sides on his side covers.
A Woody.
It's a Woody.
Yeah. Have a good. Oh,
Have a good one.
you too.
Trail Bike Sportsmen's Association, TBSA. Annual membership dues are $24, which includes your family.
And I've got a bunch of clips of TBSA members back at Sugar Pine.
Yeah, can you read that?
No.
Oh, shit.
E-something-K.
We're involved in a complex jetting scenario.
Got lots of jets here.
Months and months of test riding to try to get the right mixture so the thing's got low-end torque and high-speed power.
My back tire slid out 2 or 3 times.
there's a custom setup. Carpeted and everything. KTM 500 right in there.
And then we can show you clips of the TBSA at Sugar Pine.
Well, here we are at the TBSA once again, and April 24th ride, 423. Do you have a nickname for your rig that you like to call it, like Betsy or something?
No.
Come on, Betsy, come on when you're, you know. No name at all. You
No
just,
name.
what do you do when you're cursing it?
We don't curse it.
You don't curse it?
No, we sweet talk it.
Okay.
You get the best results that way.
Okay, well, you sweet talk, and what do you...
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Okay. What do you got, Lee? You got a
I'll tell you what.
motorhome here, huh?
Yes, I do.
And you bring your bikes up on this?
I bring them up right on the back end of that thing.
Yeah?
It's right on the back there on the black racks.
Yeah?
But let me tell you, this tired old Honda has hauled me over quite a few miles already.
What happened to the headlight?
Well, that was a short episode with a very deep gulch up at Found Springs and a long downhill. So, believe it or not, the bulb still works.
Yeah, I saw that. So do you have a nickname or a name you call your motorhome there?
Well, it depends on how important it is. Sometimes I call it "Please Don't Leak Tonight."
Oh no.
It depends on what the weather's like.
You have leaks, huh? And we've got some TBSA members here.
Yay.
Here's Eric. Eric, what do you got to say about today's ride? Was it a good one?
Muddy.
Yeah?
Very muddy.
Very muddy. How come you've got one sock on and one sock off?
Well, one sock was wet and one wasn't.
So now you're walking around like a tenderfoot. Hey, John, do you have any special nicknames or anything that you call your rig? I know because you take it to all the outings and it seems to make it real well. How's it doing?
It's my baby.
It's good. You call yours baby too? We have another TBSA member who calls theirs baby.
Reliable, always ready to go. Anytime I want it, she's ready.
All right. No wonder you were such a hot shoe on the trail. He's only got one day to ride.
I ain't stupid.
And then there's the Bomb Guards rig, the big F250 diesel red. He's got all the tools possibly needed on any ride right there in the rig.
What?
Here's Ducky Boy trying to get his boots off. He has to lay down to try to get them off. Or Grandpa might come and help, but you got to ask nicely.
Nah, Lee's motorcycle don't sound that bad. Those two-strokers, they won't sound like that. No. So they just lost the chair.
And I've got a bunch of clips of TBSA members back at Sugar Pine.
Home, they're here.
The red line on.
Don't fall down.
I don't know how to walk.
It's going in the creek. It's bad for all the little fishies.
Just a matter of minutes. We'll be on our way over to the area where we're going to put in some railing. This is going to stop all the other riders from riding through the culvert. They've been going in the creek. This is bad for all the little fishies.
TBSA members cleared that section of trail, headed back for camp. And I've got a bunch of clips of TBSA members back at Sugar Pine.